From birding and hiking to sports and travel, Nature DX binoculars are your perfect outdoor companion. Ranging in size from a compact 8x25 to a large 12x56, there's a Nature DX to fit any outdoor activity. The Cornell Lab of Ornithology selected Nature DX 8x42 as its top choice in binoculars under $200, providing high-end features at a value price. Nature DX sports fully multi-coated optics and phase-coated BAK4 prisms for brighter images with increased contrast and resolution. Select models offer a close focus as little as 6.5 feet, perfect for up-close observing. Nature DX features a rugged, rubber-armored body, and it's waterproof and nitrogen-purged for use in any weather condition. Every Nature DX binocular includes a neck strap and carrying case.
This is the Viper HD. The Viper HD is a high-end, full-size, yet compact binocular that is suited for any hunt. An HD optical system delivers exceptional resolution and edge-to-edge clarity. XR anti-reflective lens coatings give bright, full views, even in low-light situations. A locking right-eye diopter tailors each barrel's focus to your eyes. The smooth center focus wheel provides fine focus control and quick, sharp views. Argon purging provides waterproof, shockproof, and fog-proof protection, keeping you glassing in the elements as long as you are willing to stay. High-quality twist-up eye cups rest comfortably against the face and provide customized eye relief. An easy-to-grip, rubber-armored chassis with perfectly placed thumb indents provides superior ergonomics. ArmorTech on the exterior glass protects from scratches, oil, and dirt. The Viper HD is a premium workhorse, ready for any adventure you can throw at it, and it's covered for life by the Vortex VIP warranty.
Hi, Jason Leonard here again with Athlon Optics. Today we're going to check out the Midas family of binoculars. Yeah, the one with the golden touch. These binoculars come in 4 models: 8x42, 10x42, 10x50, and 12x50. The Midas binocular family features ED glass lenses, which gives you an image with little or no chromatic fringe, so the final result brings a clearer and sharper image to your eyes. In conjunction with the ED glass lenses, we apply both ESP dielectric and phase-corrected coatings over the BAK4 prisms inside the binocular. The combination of these prism coatings reflects over 99% of the light to your eyes, creating a brighter image with accurate color reproduction. All Midas binocular lenses have advanced fully multi-coating and XPL coating. This XPL coating gives you extra protection on the exterior lenses from dirt, oil, and scratches, and anything else that Mother Nature can throw at you. The Midas binocular is made with a magnesium alloy chassis that assures you that your binoculars can handle the most rugged of conditions. In addition, the Argon Purge chassis chamber, together with a robust waterproof design, gives you the assurance that you are ready for the most challenging elements. Finally, these binoculars feature twist-up eye cups with intermediate stops that allow you to set the eye cups to the ideal eye relief for your eyes. As with all of our products, Athlon features our gold medal lifetime warranty. The Athlon warranty states that your product is not only warranted to be free of defects in materials and workmanship for the lifetime of the product, Athlon will also repair or replace at no charge to you should your product be damaged through normal use. No receipt is needed, no registration is required. This is a commitment that Athlon would be the best product that you can buy for your money.